today. It's me, Isabella, and I thought of doing a video today because today's autumn, the end of autumn. So I love autumn because it's my birthday on autumn, and I also love it because of all the lovely trees. There's lots, it's not just one, and the leaves that fall down. So there's so many trees that fall down from the leaves, and look up high there's still some, but there's so many squirrels, and the squirrels, there's a squirrel! Squirrel, look this way, not that way. Hello! So I love autumn because also the squirrels come out and I feed them. No, not feed them because you're not allowed to feed them. I play with them, so they are on the tree, for example, a squirrel on the tree, and then I go around and they go up and around. This is really good. Oh, hello squirrel! They're really cute, but it's not good to touch them because I've never touched it before. But yeah, so the lots of trees fall down as looks like snow. See? Almost, just like, there's so much. See what I mean? And lots of people are here, as you can see. So mostly because they keep their doggies out to play. I love doggies, and I wish I could have a dog, but I would, but I just live in a flat and they're not allowed. But one thing's that a pet's allowed, fish. Pet fishies. So I'm gonna get some fish for my birthday, but it's hard for them to deliver like straight away on the day of my birthday. So we're gonna come for Christmas. Yay! I'm gonna have some pet fish, and I'm gonna name them Fishy, Even Fishier, and Fishiest. No, that's a strange name. I'll name it whatever I like because they're gonna be for my birthday. So yeah, ooh, a pole. A wooden pole. Oh. And there's like more trees. A little bend. Hello, the little windows. Hello there. Excuse me, you're in my private property. This is my house. And oh, they're really smooth. Oh, this is so smooth. Because of it peels off like this. Poor tree. This isn't dead. It's also very scratchy.
I don't know. Okay, food.
Oh wait, and can you feel me coming out?
Wait,
Shall I end it?
1 second.
I got up. It's a little bit scary. Not that I'm scared, but this is scary stuff. Because, like, it feels. Whoops. Oh, that was hard. It feels like it's gonna rock down or something. Oh, I want to go in the middle. This is cool. I'm the king, queen. Because I'm a female. I'm the queen of the world. And I want to go even higher. Oh, I don't think this is quite safe. But I'm going to try anyway. I'm going to sit on here. Yay! I got up! And maybe I'll try standing up. Wow! I'm so tall. Very tall. Okay, now I'm going to get down. So guys, I'm here. I was all the way over there, but now I'm here. So lots of leaves are falling down. As you can see, the leaf is very pretty leaf. Yes, so the leaves, not the trees, are falling down. It would be a bit strange if the trees are falling down, then I would probably get collapsed. So, yeah, and this is the other side of that place. That place is like a forest, and this place is not. So there's so many people dog walking here, as you can see. So, yeah, so there's the playground. But it's going to be hard to film in the playground, so I'm just going to walk up here and then end. So guys, I hope you enjoyed I was about to say my birthday. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you like my videos and channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Whee!